The Lonely Robot's Friend. In a small workshop filled with gears, wires, and half-finished inventions, there lived a robot named Bolt. He was different from other robots. While they were programmed to work efficiently, Bolt wanted something more. He wanted a friend. Every day, Bolt would watch the scientists and engineers work together, laughing and sharing stories. He would listen to their conversations, trying to understand what made connections special. But when he tried to join in, the humans would look at him strangely or simply continue their work. One rainy afternoon, a small girl named Emma wandered into the workshop. She was different from the other humans Bolt had met. While most people saw him as a machine, Emma saw him as something more. "Hi there," Emma said, sitting down next to Bolt. "What are you working on?" Bolt was surprised. No one had ever asked him that before. He showed Emma a small mechanical bird he had been trying to repair. His metal hands moved carefully, adjusting tiny gears and wires. Emma watched with wonder. "Can I help?" she asked. Together, they worked on the mechanical bird. Bolt explained each step, and Emma listened carefully. She didn't mind that he was a robot. She saw his kindness, his creativity, his desire to learn and connect. As they worked, Bolt realized something important. Friendship wasn't about being perfect or doing everything right. It was about listening, sharing, and caring. When the mechanical bird finally chirped to life, flying around the workshop, both Bolt and Emma cheered. It wasn't just a machine anymore, it was a creation they had made together. From that day forward, Bolt was no longer lonely. He had learned that friendship can come from the most unexpected places, and that being different doesn't mean being alone. The end.